shifting focus, there is some more breaking news that's coming in. Remember, Delhi Minister Atishi was hospitalized after her hunger strike, and SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav has now reached the hospital to meet Atishi. Ally Akhilesh has checked on Atishi's health. You can see the visuals of him reaching the hospital to check on the Delhi Minister at this point. We're crossing over to my colleague Isha to get us more on this. Isha, tell us more about what transpired in the meeting between the two leaders.
उन मददों को भी सरकार ने नहीं पूरा किया और वहीं भेदभाव और अन्याय लगातार दिल्ली की सरकार ने किया है। और दिल्ली की सरकार ने तो खासकर, अब दिल्ली की सरकार में कंफ्यूज ना हो, केंद्र सरकार ने सबसे ज़्यादा भेदभाव अगर किसी के साथ किया है तो वो दिल्ली सरकार के साथ और खासकर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ। सरकार बन गई उनकी, वो जनता के लिए काम करना चाहते हैं, जनता का स्वास्थ्य कैसे बेहतर हो, उनको सही शिक्षा कैसे मिले और सुविधाएं कैसे मिल पाएं। वहीं केंद्र सरकार लगातार रोड़ा अटका रही है, उनको तकलीफ परेशानी पहुंचा रही है और जब उन्हें हर जगह से राहत मिलने का काम शुरू हो गया, जब वो बाहर आ जाते, ये केंद्र सरकार की जानकारी में होगा कि वो बाहर निकल आएंगे, वो निकल ना पाएं, जनता के बीच में ना पहुंच पाएं, सरकार ठीक से न चला पाएं, इसलिए फिर उन पे न जाने कौन सा मुकदमा लगा करके फिर उनको फंसा दिया गया। ये सीबीआई के लोग कोई पहली बार नहीं फंसा रहे लोगों को, ये लगातार फंसाते हैं लोगों को और उनको फंसाते हैं जिनसे इन्हें खतरा है। सीबीआई का इस्तेमाल होना, दिल्ली की संस्थाओं का इस्तेमाल होना, और उसी का परिणाम ये था कि बीजेपी की सरकार के खिलाफ मतदान हुआ। वो तो बच गए, नहीं तो दिल्ली की सरकार जो थी, केंद्र सरकार, वो कभी सफाया हो गया होता। थैंक यू। वो बात हो।
All right, so that was the SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav, again putting the onus on the centre when it comes to what's taking place with the Delhi government. This particularly comes in significantly after he met with the Delhi Minister Atishi. But to get us more on this, we're crossing over to my colleague Isha to get us more. Isha, when it comes to what we just heard by Akhilesh Yadav, he has really lashed out at the centre for consistently harassing the Delhi government, Arvind Kejriwal, and saying that when the Delhi Minister Atishi walks out of the hospital, she will talk more about the fight against the centre. But tell us more about what transpired in the meet between the two leaders.
Right, Aisha. So Akhilesh Yadav did meet the Delhi Water Minister Atishi, and we also just heard him speak. He has let out a scathing attack on the central government for forcing the Atishi to fall prey to such a condition. That is what Akhilesh Yadav has alleged. In fact, he has stated that when Atishi does come out of the hospital, she will be stronger and she will continue her fight against the central government. So yes, the politics over the water crisis in the national capital is speaking, and especially now that an opposition leader, especially from Uttar Pradesh, has also joined in, that has also further politicized the issue, Aisha. But in the coming days, as Atishi comes out of the hospital, as she's discharged, we will have to see what more steps are taken. But at the moment on the ground, water crisis still prevails. People continue to suffer. So the extreme politicization doesn't help either. Back to you.
Absolutely. Isha, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more on that. Beyond this as well, one of the big messages that's being sent out by Akhilesh going to meet the Delhi Water Minister at the hospital while she has taken ill amid the hunger strike is the message of unity that's being emphasized between the bloc leaders.